Hello, in this video I will demonstrate SOLIDWORKS add-in which was developed as a proposed solution to the 30th SOLIDWORKS Power User challenge. Please follow the link in the description of this video to get more information about this challenge. As a short summary, it was required to develop an application which would insert the swept feature with a circular profile for all segments within a sketch. So here is an example of an input model with a 3D sketch based on the boundary surface. Proposed solution was developed as SOLIDWORKS add-in and added buttons into toolbar, command tab box, and SOLIDWORKS menu. After we invoke the command, Property Manager page is displayed, and it is required to select Input Sketch into the selection box. Preview is immediately updated in the SOLIDWORKS graphics view. We can modify input parameters such as radius of sweep profile, and we can see the preview is immediately updated in the graphics view. After we finish the input, we can click a green tick to generate a feature. Add-in generates macro feature which resides inside the SOLIDWORKS tree and generates solid bodies. This feature behaves exactly the same as any other standard feature of SOLIDWORKS. For example, we can modify its definition and change the radius. Preview is immediately updated. We can also add more sketches into our input. For example, in this case, I'm just going to select a second 2D sketch. You can see preview is updated, and after I click a green tick, our feature is updated as well. Now more bodies are generated. Similar to standard SOLIDWORKS features, I can modify the parameter of a radius without editing my feature directly, just by changing the value of the dimension in the graphics view. And the feature preserves the parametric behavior, so if I would modify the original sketch, the feature will be updated immediately. In addition, lens property could be added to Weldment cut lists. For that, we need to add a Weldment feature into our model. Now we only need to check an option to add lens custom property to our cut lists. Now cut list feature would contain the lens property, which will be automatically updated when we modify feature or underlying sketches. And of course, feature and all the parameters will be preserved across the sessions of SOLIDWORKS. So you can close model, close SOLIDWORKS, open that model again, and all the features will be in place. Please follow the download and installation instructions by following the link in the description of this video. Full source code of this add-in can also be downloaded from free from a GitHub. As you can see, the source code is pretty compact, and for all of that functionality we only have just a bit more than 200 lines of that add-in. However, this application leverages quite an advanced SOLIDWORKS API features. This includes but not limited to add-ins, commands manager, macro features, creating of temp geometry and modeler, creating of property manager pages, tracking entities by their IDs. If you are interested to know more about those topics and understand how this add-in was developed and learn how to create your own custom features, please add a comment or send me a message and I will organize for online training or a tutorial video. Thank you for your time.